So today I'm going to show you how to do a parcel knot. So first of all, get your cord, the paracord, find the halfway point, like that. Get your parcel, in this case a badly wrapped Christmas present, fake by the way, and you put your parcel on top like that. Then you get your two cords, you bring them up over the top like that, and then cross them over like that. Then you flip it over like that, so you've got this going on. What you do now is get your cords, the vertical ones, and put them underneath this horizontal one here. So you just, I've got way too much cord. Do that on that side. Do that on that side. So you've got that going on. I use the cord on this side. You make a U. So it's going underneath this piece here. And you bring it up like that. Then you get your other cord and thread it through the bottom of that U. So all I'm doing is poking it through like that, and then pull the ends, and you got yourself a parcel knot. Now it is quite surprisingly secure actually. So what you can do here is you can either do a bow. No, this would be alright if you've got some ribbon or something. Slightly embarrassed by the state of my bow. It's not a pair of shoes, so it's easier. So you could do that, or to make it even more secure, you just do a half hitch or an overhand knot. So all I'm going to do, get the cord, loop it under like that, put it into the knot that side, and do the same with the other. Cut the ends, and there you have yourself a parcel knot. If you found that helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.